What's going on, guys? It's Julbert, and if you're a coach, life coach, business coach, fitness coach, mindset coach, or you want to launch your own coaching business, this video is the most important video you'll ever see for a whole year. Because guess what? Today I'm gonna show you step by step how to run your entire coaching business using GoHighLevel. All right, not 10 different apps, not 14 different logins, one platform that handles everything. Right? When you hear one offer, one marketing platform, one platform, lead gen, booking calls, client onboarding, automate coaching workflow, um, courses, community, recurring revenue, right? Follow-up process, accountability process, reactivation campaigns, everything under one platform. We're going deep, and I'm showing you how to build a coaching system that runs even while you sleep. All right. So take your pen and paper or notepad, be ready to take some note. And just so you know, you can get a free 30-day trial instead of 14 using my link below. So grab that. And plus, there's a free strategy call to help you match with one of our VAs that can help you set this whole system up. So you don't actually have to do it yourself. All right, let's dive in. Here's the biggest problem I've seen in the coaching space. And I've worked with a lot of coaches over the years, right? They're doing everything manually. From scheduling sessions manually, sending out work to their clients manually, onboarding new clients manually, following up manually, collecting payment manually, right? And it's not just, you say, inefficient. It's literally killing the growth of the business. So HighLevel is able to fix all that. It replaces your calendar, Teachable, Slack groups, Zapier, MailChimp, Notions, Voxer, Kajabi, all of this, billing pages, right? Everything, Stripe, with one login. So instead of running a never-ending to-do list and going from one platform to another, you could run everything in one platform. So let's break this down into a sellable coaching offer. That means you can package this and sell it in the future if you want to. And this is how HighLevel support all of them. All right. So first thing first, let's talk about if you do one-on-one coaching. You know what I mean? Think about doing some automated onboarding. So here's how this works inside HighLevel, right? So take this as an example, right? Prospect, they fill out a form, they automatically get sent a booking link. Okay, so now they book on the calendar. After they book right onto HighLevel, there's a trigger of workflow. And what that does is they get your onboarding questionnaire in their email, welcome email, videos, next steps. Boom. Did that, they get all that. Payment request goes out automatically. They make payment. Client is automatically added to like your active coaching pipeline. So you can literally inside that CRM have an active coaching pipeline. Now you're not chasing them. You're not babysitting anybody. Your process is up and running really fast. Guess what? The system handle it, right? So that's one. I'll give you another example. If you do group coaching, right, for your group coaching program, HighLevel lets you literally do drip lessons and homework, right? So they have a whole platform for that. You can host recorded calls, text your group at all once, right? So send a blast text to everyone, create private client community. I think that's huge because it creates that experience for them. Automatically send reminders before calls, right? So now more people get on those calls. You can even unlock module based on time, progress, action, tags, completion to make sure that people are going through your program like they should and actually completing it, right? This means you can sell one group program and teach 100 at once without losing structure or quality, which to me it is super valuable. This is where the money is made, right? Group coaching. Now you create a curriculum inside HighLevel membership area, right? So that brings in either weekly, monthly coaching calls, so you can bring in experts, or you can do it. You have an accountability workflow, you have automatic check-in, so you don't actually have to manually do the check-in. Then you run everything on one platform one dashboard so you could see what's happening, right? You get paid like a course creator and respected like a coach. Now, let's walk through the actual setup. Step one, create your coaching sub account. This is where your whole coaching business lives. Okay. That to me is super important because it's separated from everything else. Build your lead capture funnel. Use the built-in funnel builder to create free training funnels, application funnels, webinar funnels, right? Challenge funnels. You can have all that into the sub funnel. And then you want to connect your calendar. This replaces any other Calendly or Acuity and books calls on autopilot, right? So now you can have calls coming in consistently. Step four, you want to create an onboarding automation triggers. Someone becomes a client, they automatically get, HighLevel, send them something that says a welcome video, worksheets, photo login, homework if they have to do any prep steps, all that is automatically sent to them. And in step five, you build your membership area. This is where you can charge recurrent revenue. You can upload lessons, right? You can add worksheets. You can have gated content. You can literally create a progress tracking tool that you can see what's happening in the back end. And then step six, right? You want to add your weekly coaching reminders, like set up SMS text marketing and email reminders to automatically go out. you know, hey, coaching call starts in 2 hours. Click here to join so more people can be on these calls, right? And then you could drop off the show up rates instantly. All right. So I think it's important to give you an example, right? Joanna, she runs a career coaching business. Before she was using HighLevel, she was, doing a whole lot, sending Zoom links manually, chasing invoices, sending homework in Google Docs. What else she was doing? Answering 100 different EMs, coming in a day, managing her Facebook group. She did not like it, let's say that, right? And then she started rebuilding everything into HighLevel. Now, guess what's happening? Because she has that system set up, clients can auto enroll, homework can automatically be delivered on time. She has office hours, right, for Zoom, private community built in so people can communicate and keep each other accountable. There's calls reminders that goes out on autopilot. Clients pay before they join so they're not chasing to get invoice paid. And she literally cut off her admin time by 80%. Now, think about this. Her exact word, it finally feels like a real business. I'm not juggling 1,000 things at the same time. All right. So I think it's important not just to tell you this, but to give you some secret sauce. These are strategies that I'm going to share with you that I don't hear out there. You know, I don't hear anybody talking about it. So I'm going to give you two. One, the creative strategy is leveraging AI. You can have an AI accountability coach that's literally talking to your clients because every coaching program dies when clients lose momentum and you don't want that. But what if you leverage HighLevel and you build a workflow that literally monitor clients login activity, tracks lessons completed, detects webinars attendance, and if they fall behind, it automatically trigger a personalized AI message. It could be a voice message or it could be a text message. Hey John, hey Sarah, notice you haven't logged in for a week. Want me to just resend where you left off? This literally boosts retention and save clients most coaches will silently lose. People get busy. So you want to create those automated follow-up that can help them. Give you another one, right? Automatically capture wins, right? It's like a win capture system. So most coaches, they struggle to get testimonials. So you want to automate that process. So whenever clients hit a milestone, they finish the training in the back end, right? They finish that module or they submit their weekly form, they got to win, right? You can set up HighLevel to trigger a workflow where the AI that we have within HighLevel praise them. Let's go, you did it, congratulations. Ask what changed and capture the story, right? And then now you can automatically turn this into a testimonial that you can add on your landing page or funnel. You can send it to you and post it in the Win community. You can post it publicly in your marketing. Now you have social proof every week without chasing and begging for it. Now, here's the best part. Nobody tells no coaches. You don't need to have a giant team to make any of this work. What you really need is systems. So once you set up and build out your high level, you can literally hand off and you can have a team of virtual assistant that are highly specialized that can handle clients onboarding for you, right? And you can leverage AI as well there too. They can manage lesson publishing, they can edit sessions replays, right? They can update the community and manage the community, right? You could set up an AI to send out weekly reports. Then you just show up and do the best that you do and be the coach that you're supposed to be, right? Think about this as a coaching company, not an actual coaching channel. So let's kind of wrap this up because I think high level is a huge platform, a lot of opportunity. People are not taking advantage of it. And you want to automate your onboarding, deliver lessons and homework, host your entire curriculum on the platform, send reminders and accountability messages automatically, manage your community, handles billing and renewals, track client progress in real time, and guess what? You can build it up without writing a single line of code. And to help you get started, I've got two free gifts for you. All right. One, you get a free 30-day trial of high level. Right now, that 14-day trial you're seeing around, you get that exclusive link because I have a partnership with them. And second, you have a strategy call with our team to help you find the right VA that can set this whole thing up for you. A system manager VA that's an expert, right? So we'll help you literally set up the calendar, set up your funnel, set up the onboarding flow, launch your coaching business on automation. We give you templates so you can get clients fast, even DM templates, right? So click the link below to get both and let's work. Let's help you get to the next level with your coaching business. Let's go.